Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the minimal prerequisites. Import Java. Util. Stream and pick a data source such as a list, array, or buffered reader. Lines. Once done, create a stream from that source so you can chain operations. Make sure to decide the basic pipeline shape early. Will you transform with map, reduce with collect, or flatten with flat map? This first step matters because ordering and laziness affect performance. Starting with the right source keeps downstream steps simple and efficient. You now build the pipeline. Start with stateless intermediates like filter and map to narrow and transform data, then add distinct or sorted if needed. Use flat map when elements contain collections you must flatten, and map when producing single results per item. Remember that intermediate operations are lazy. Nothing runs until a terminal operator like collect, for each, or reduce is invoked. So structure pipelines for readability and minimal work, and consider parallel only after correctness is established. You complete the task by choosing the right terminal operation and executing the pipeline, collect to gather results or for each to act on each item. Once finished, close resource-backed streams with try with resources so files and sockets are released. If results look wrong, use peek to inspect values mid-pipeline, check for unexpected nulls, and remove stateful operations like sorted with mutable comparators. If performance lags, profile and reconsider parallel streams versus sequential processing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.